Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into gadgets and accessories to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're looking at the SPR-003 battery, a high-capacity replacement designed specifically for the Nintendo. This battery comes from the brand RRUHHK and is paired with a repair toolkit, offering a complete replacement solution for gamers looking to extend their console's life. The standout feature of the SPR-003 is its impressive 3,600 mAh capacity. This is a significant upgrade from the standard batteries that come with these consoles, giving your device more power and longer playtime. According to the manufacturer, this battery is brand new, zero cycle, and built to last up to 2,100 charging cycles, which can dramatically extend the lifespan of your handheld gaming experience. One of the key benefits is the inclusion of a smart IC chip. This built-in protection system manages overcharging, overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits. That means not only does it keep your device safer, but it also helps preserve the battery's longevity. For anyone worried about the environmental impact, the SPR-003 is certified under CE, FCC, UL, PSE, and RoHS standards and is free from harmful substances like mercury, lead, and cadmium. Compatibility is crucial for replacement batteries, and the SPR-003 clearly defines which models it supports. So you'll want to double-check your console before ordering. It's lightweight and compact, making installation straightforward, and it even comes with a repair toolkit to make the swap as smooth as possible. In terms of brand assurance, RRUHHK emphasizes customer satisfaction. They offer responsive support and quick replies, so if you encounter any issues with your battery, help is readily available. Their focus is on solving battery anxiety for gamers who rely on their devices throughout the day, whether on the go or at home. In conclusion, the SPR-003 battery is designed to breathe new life into older Nintendo 3DS models, offering a higher capacity, smart safety features, and environmental certifications. With its easy installation and long-term durability, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their handheld gaming experience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next in-depth review.